Hi guys, welcome back to the Forex Traders Engage YouTube channel. And what you're going to be seeing here is basically trade setups where today is a Sunday, so it's not going to really be any trading. I'm just trying to you know update the videos because it's been a while since I've posted. I kind of posted 2-3 videos before this, and I'm going to be posting more videos coming. So trying to make them interesting for you. There are a lot of trading strategies out there which you, if you go to see, excuse me, they are there, and people try to follow them. I mean, I have always been trying to follow a trading system which I don't know how many YouTube videos I've searched for to kind of find some system which really works, and I mean it's been a lot. But if you really go to see, there is nothing that works 100%, as you know. I do call this a 50-50 trading system. I know I'm being modest. I mean, you'll be like, if you lose 50 and if you win 50, what's the point? I mean, what do you do? So, I mean, what you got to do is you got to take that little edge of above the 50. Okay. So you go to 50, 50, 52, 54, 55, 60. That's where you got to stretch to win this massive big trading game. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to take its own time, and it's like what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you in history some charts. I mean, today the market it's going to start in a few hours, but it's still Sunday, so I'm going to show you some charts, and I'm going to tell you what to look for. And I'm going to be showing you, this is a $16 Pepperstone demo account. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is from tomorrow I'm going to be making the videos every day, and I'm going to show you how to build a $16 account, demo account with micro lots, and grow it. Now I don't know if you're going to do it, if I'm able to able to do it or no, but definitely for traders who are really, I mean, you know, looking to learn how to trade, I'm going to show you everything for free. I mean, I've been trading for more than a decade now, like, okay, so maybe less than that, but a lot of R&D, trying different systems, and it's quite hard, I mean, to be very honest with you. So what you're going to be learning is strategies which I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a few examples now. I'm not going to show you examples on gold, silver, and crude oil because they can get harder. But yeah, it works on everything, and you got to just watch the trade setups and kind of follow them and just try to get to it, because once you get the hang of it, you're going to be able to become a full-time trader, a day trader, a swing trader, whatever you want. Okay, now what do we look for? Okay, don't look at this dotted line for now. I mean, you don't need it, because if you take the support, it's going to be like you're relying on an indicator. So what I'm going to be teaching you is something not which is going to make you rely on an indicator, but something which is going to be different, and it's going to be more of, it's not price action trading at all. Okay, this is not price action, it's more of patterns. Okay, price patterns, how do you look at things, right? Okay. So we're going to be looking at mostly GBP pairs, because they move pretty well. And okay, now let's see what happened this Friday. Okay, right, as you see now, this structure of the chart, what do you see on this chart? Should I zoom it a bit? Right, stretch it out a bit. Okay, do you see you understand one thing, that you got to enter the trade after the London session starts. Okay, Now, you can Google that when the London session starts, whichever country you are in, whichever city you are in, country typically, you got to check that. And as it starts, you got to sit and watch. Before that, this is the end of the Asian session. You don't really need to see it. This is the previous day. The London session, as soon as it starts, somewhere around here, okay, you got to look for how price is being manipulated to stop on the newbie traders both sides. Okay, so you got to understand one thing. Typically, there are two to three uh, points. Okay, 2 to 3 peak points which where price is moved to get you out. So if you see, one is this: people who went long, they were the market went down, their stop hunt got triggered. People who went short, their stop hunt got triggered again up here. And again, people who went long, they got triggered. Then it went down, it fell again. Stop hunt again, it fell. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is you got to understand how these things work. Now, uh, you need to know that after the London session has kicked in, okay, you wait. I mean, trading is all about waiting. I don't know how many you believe it or no. It's not about indicators. It's not about EMAs or moving averages or RSI. It's about waiting. No matter if you have to wait till the end of the London session or the end of New York, and you don't take a trade, at least you have not lost money, because otherwise you're just going to give money to the market at will. It's just going to go. Okay. So when it's made this one peak here, it went down and it's made a second peak. Basically, when it makes two peak points, okay, 2 peak points, you you wait for this the whole thing to get over and then you enter, okay, towards the direction against the peaks, against the peak points, okay. You can call these peak points, or you can call them two pushes up, okay. So please now look carefully exactly what I'm trying to tell you. So when you see these 2 points up and down, okay, these 2 points which shifted once and twice, and you sell here, okay, you sell. See the pushes: 1 push, 2 push, 3. Sometimes there are 2 pushes, sometimes there are 3 pushes, sometimes there are 4 pushes, okay. Anyway, between 2 to 4, typically 3, okay, and you exit. I'll give you the indicators to set up what to use and how to exit. But first you need to master this part, okay. I'm going to show you a daily, any chart. I'm going to show you, let me pull out any chart. Let's remove the Australian JPY, okay. You don't trade till you don't see the setup, right? Now you see this up, down, up, down, up, down. This is all stop hunt. You got to be careful of these setups. You don't trade such things, okay. Even if you say you entered a sell here, okay, or you sell at 2 pins, okay, you short here, try to hit the top, it didn't. You sell here, you need to get out here. Why here? Because you'd lose everything here. And why? How here? Because of this indicator setup. When it cuts this, you exit. So I'm going to be showing you how this indicator is going to be applied and how to exit it, right? Let me show you something else. Let me show you the GBP USD. Okay, I've got GBP USD here anyway. On Friday, you see these 2 stops: stop on, stop on, stop on, sell, right? You see that? This is your profit. Let's go back. Okay, let's go back. Look at this. This is not an entry. This is not an entry. This is an entry. Why? Because stop on, stop on, stop on. It tried to push up. 1 pin, second pin, first pin, second pin. Okay, divergence. You can see a divergence. Don't get confused with that now. You enter short here. You exit here. Why here? Because this cuts here again back up. You made 20-30 pips. Okay. Your next trade is your why. This is a head and shoulders. It's a mini head and shoulder. That's what I call it. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You enter here. Exit here. Why here? Because it's made its run, right? I can show you n number of setups. You gotta just keep watching them. This is another setup. One single peak, second peak, little divergence, sell all the way down 20-30 pips here. uh, this is a reversal, lower peak on top, one peak, two peak, buy. You exit here after 4 to 5 candles. No trade zone here. You can take this double triple peak here, divergence, sell, you go straight down. Okay, this is a very sideways channel trade. It's not, you'll keep getting stopped out. Try to avoid, you never know what's lying in front of you, so avoid such setups. So I'm going to be showing you a lot of trade setups which you're going to be watching and learning if you watch this channel. I'm not going to force you to subscribe for this channel, but if you really want to learn, subscribe so you know when the next video is coming up. Tomorrow I'll be starting live trading uh, on this $16 account to show you with micro lots how we are going to build it, or we may not build it. Okay, so let's see how it goes, and that way you can learn more about your trading and trading strategies doing these things. And this is not any investment advice or something. I'm not an investment advisor or something. I'm just using strategies which I've learned over time, so you can learn and practice enough to really get it. Trading is hard, but it's possible to do it if you put enough of hours of um, study and work. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.